Hello GWIFians, we're hosting a special meeting on social media and it's just for you.
You hear that? Just for you.
Join Professor Apostle J. Andrew Scott on Monday, November 11 for a one-on-one camp night meeting. So wherever you are across the 70 nations of the world, call in on one of our platforms, ask your questions, tell us your testimonies, and just let us know how this ministry has impacted you.
Remember, it's just for you. We're looking forward to hear all those wonderful things that God has been doing in your life. And remember, you're free. It's open night just for you. It's like you're right in the sanctuary. Remember, we're waiting to meet with you right there. God bless you. We're going to have a Catawampus time. Remember, it's an open session. And trust and believe in your God that something supernatural will happen. We want to hear from you. We are excited to hear your testimonies and to hear what God has been doing, whatever part of the world you are. Waiting to see you. And together, all the GWIFians with us here
That's right.
will be right there waiting for you. God bless you and
bye-bye.
bye-bye.